Hello, this is Shanton, and we are going to talk about Mars in the sign Scorpio. If you open your charts and if you see that you have Mars in the sign Scorpio, so for a natural zodiac sign, you will see that it is the eighth house of the Kal Purush Kundli, as we call it in Vedic astrology. Well, in this place, I will give you the traits, what are the things that can eventually happen. But before that, you must know, Mars is a planet which is very high on energy. It's a Agni Tattva planet, it's a Krur Graha. It's very active, right? And it wants its thing very fast. So Mars can be very impatient at times. So Mars is also target oriented and they have aims and achievements. So when Mars is in the sign of Scorpio, it is actually in its own house. So Mars will behave in such a manner that it can be very, very ambitious, and it can, to achieve its goal, this person can go to a lot extent, putting a lot of effort and hard work behind it. Secondly, if you get into this aspect of Mars, Mars at times can also give you malefic results. For example, you can literally be prone to cuts and injuries from sharp objects. So maybe you get easily hurt and you get injuries, and you face small accidents every now and then if you have a Mars in the sign of Scorpio or in your eighth house. So that is something that you need to be careful about. Well, this is another thing. Now, if you have Mars in the sign of 8th house, especially in a female horoscope, it is said that they have a high sexual drive. And apart from that, let me get into the friend circle and association to some extent. If Mars is placed in Scorpio, you might get betrayed or backstabbed by many of your friends or people whom you consider to be very close to you. This can happen quite often, and you might have faced it many a times in your life. So you really need to be very choosy and very careful about whom you're sharing your secrets with whom you're getting close with. So be very careful about selecting your association. Now let us get into some positive and negative traits of Mars in Scorpio. So they are passionate, intuitive, intense, and quite secretive, unforgiving, vengeful, resilient, and to a lot of extent you can say vengeful as well. So these are some of those traits that I wanted to share with you guys, and that's it for now. And I'm going to come up with more and more videos